Welcome back to a new CZ Media video. We are still working on the 350C, and in today's video we are going to install a new steering wheel. I have my steering wheel here, I have some hardware stuff, I also have my hub and my quick release, what we are going to install, and just look at the stock steering wheel. I must say, for a stock steering wheel it's not that bad, but this is way better. So the first thing we want to do is unplug the battery so this airbag doesn't blow us into the face. So we just got this bowl off and unplug the battery. So we are in the car right now. Here at the bottom of the steering wheel there are here some clip things. I need to unplug those on both sides, and then I can screw screws out of there so I can get the airbag out of the steering wheel. And there's one big nut in the middle of the steering wheel. We are going to disassemble that, and then the steering wheel should come off. So guys, unfortunately this is a security Torx bolt. I don't have that tool, so I can't put my airbag out and go on with installing the new steering wheel. So we need to buy this tool first and then I will see you. As you guys can see, it's evening right now. I got the right tools. I already disassembled this bolt. Let's try to do the other bolt. I already loosened it, so it should be fine. Oh, I can't see. There we go. I need to loosen it a bit more, but you guys get it. I already have this one screw out, and let's go. So with both screws unscrewed, now we can take the airbag out. There we are. Now I'm going to disconnect everything. So we have the airbag disconnected now. There's one big nut in the middle and we need to put the airbag safely down. We need to unscrew this and then I can get the whole steering wheel off. We are making progress. Managed to loosen this bolt with this huge ass breaker bar. Now I got my ratchet to do the rest of the work, and yeah. Finally! We just need to disconnect this old shit. Steering wheel is off, it's over there. And now we have my hub we need to install here. On the sub the quick release and then the steering wheel. The hub is on, now we need to tighten this big bolt with the correct torque specs and then we can go on. So guys, the hub is on, torque is done on this big nut. This piece is for ground, so you connect your bottom piece from your quick release one side to this and one to the ground here, so you can use your horn. Then we will install the top piece from the quick release and then the steering wheel. So the bottom piece from the quick release is on. Soon we are done. We made it! This is how it looks right now. I'm going to show you guys how it looks tomorrow with the sunshine, but I'm pretty stoked. It turned out great.